I thought, wouldn't it be cool to make a school bus out of wood? Oh yeah, so
JDUB-Woodworks the wood with hands so strong, from sunrise till the end of daylight long. Driftwood and logs, each shapes a flare in a backwoods shed where stories are shared. Chainsaw buzzes and the chisel digs it deep. JDUB guards while the town folks sleep. Faces emerge from the timber dust, works of art from the logs we trust. JDUB got a talent so rare, so raw, turns old wood into visions you saw. Each piece tells a tale of days gone by. JDUB's craftsmanship will never die. Old scars and knots become beauty supreme. In JDUB's hands, dead wood redeems. From twisted roots to branches high, art forms rise as years roll by. Locals gather round to see his latest feat. From a gnarled old stump to something sweet. Handmade magic, born from nature's grip. JDUB's driftwood art, a celestial trip. JDUB's got a talent so rare, so raw, turns old wood into visions you saw. Each piece tells a tale of days gone by. JDUB's craftsmanship will never die. Old scars and knots become beauty supreme.